Myself Karthik Mehta, and I'm from Team Pool Stackers. Another teammate is Sahaj and Srishti. So here I build a AI power recruitment platform. So here is the all the questions and answers and all the things are generated by Open Router API key, and all data goes to by Gemini API and send it to the WAPI AI, our voice agent, and that agent can handle all the interview and evaluate and all the things. So let's get started. So here is our platform, and yes, this is the platform. Let's go to the sign in. So we are doing now Google authentication. So here is sign in complete, and old data get loaded from the Supabase. Let's start and create a new interview. Yep. So let's start and create new interview. Yes. So now we are creating a interview for the data science role. So here I'm filling data scientist role, just writing basic descriptions, Python, NumPy, pandas, and tools and models. Yes, now what is interview duration? So I'm doing the interview duration is 5 minutes. We have option to fire 10, 15. So I'm selecting 5 minutes. Then I'm selecting the passing parameters, just technical, behavior, and experience, program solving, and what I want. Yes, and then another one is now and now we are going to generate the questions, all the data sent to the our open router API key that will help us to generate all the questions according to our given prompt. So here you see mm, all the questions are generated on the basis of the parameters like technical, experienced, problem solving, leadership. Here you can see. So let's get started and create an interview link. Here I'm clear, so my interview is ready. And let's start. You can share with the via Slack, via email, via WhatsApp. You can just share through our WhatsApp also. Here you can see. Yes, let's scroll. If you want to create a new interview, you can go with new interview. I'm go to my dashboard. Here I can see my data scientist role is hit, and here is 8 April to today's date. And yes, and let's get started. I can send here that here from also, and also the copy link. And now I'm sharing the my old interviews things. So here my old interviews generated. You can see there is the uh, how many candidates are currently they joined the interview. You can see full stack, DevOps, and all. So now let's go to the full stack interview. I see the full details. You can see here all the job description, duration, created by, technical, and behavior. Then you can see interview questions. Here you can see the how many candidates are giving the interviews. Here you can see all the evaluation criteria. Here you see the skill set, technical skills, communication skills on the basis of their AI judgment and performance summary. And you can see here is the recommendation method that feedback provide not recommended to the hiring the user. So here is answer generated feedback of users. Now let us see. So when we just creating an interview, it will deduct one credits. Here we can see the billing section. So we have the billing section too, and in this billing section include our uh, razor pay payment gateway, which can handle the all the billings and all. And here we can start at our new interview as a data scientist also. Here you can see that we have three plans, professional, enterprises, and all. If I want to some buy credits, I can just pay with razor pay. It will hit my test mode razor pay API, and it will go. Just I am doing the testing. Just a minute. Wait a second. I can fill my number. Then I choose the net banking. Here is going the payment to the AI recruiter. Yes, you can success the payment. Here is our payment confirmation. And yes, our payment confirmation done. Here is the payment ID. And after just in some time here, you can see the my credits go to 500 when I buy through this plan. Yes, now go to our all interview section. Now let's start the interview. So here is our recruiter interview. Just a minute. Hmm. Here is my interview link. Yes, so now I'm putting my name here. Kartik Mehta. Now let's started the interview call. Yes, so now let's started our interview. Now you can
Hi,
see our
Kartik
interview
Mehta.
started.
Ready for your interview for data science?
Yes, I'm pretty excited and I'm ready for the interview.
That's great to hear. Let's get started. Can you explain your experience with Python, how you have utilized NumPy and Pandas in your data science projects?
Yes, yes. So I'm implementing Python in various places, like for creating a fast API, Python API backend, and also more using in the Python models, AIMLs models, using regression models and trees models, and also I did Python's using NumPy and Pandas library using for data sorting, filtering, and searching and for data pre-processing for the training the models.
Thanks for sharing that, Kartik. It sounds like you have practical experience with Python and its libraries for both backend and data processing tasks. Let's move on. What BI tools have you used in the past, and how have they helped you analyze and visualize data?
Yes, I in past I used three data visualization tools. Matplot. One is by using coding Matplotlib. Second is a Tabuli, and third is a Power BI.
Good to know you have experience with multiple BI tools, including Power BI and R. These are great for data visualization and analysis. Next question. How comfortable are you with mathematics concepts like linear algebra, probability, and statistics, and how have you applied them in your data science work?
So I am little bit weak in the mathematics part, but I have good knowledge of the Pythons and applying the logics between the code.
Thanks for your honesty, Kartik. It's good that you're strong in Python and coding logic, but like strengthening math fundamentals will definitely boost your data science skills.
Yep.
Let's keep going. Can you walk? Great. Now, can you walk us through a project where you developed a backend using Flask? What were
Yeah.
the challenges you faced?
Yeah, I built a house price prediction platform and I did a model training of the house prediction system, and also I built a Flask API for the connection between my React front end and the back end by using Python. And when I deploying this, I'm getting too much difficulty in deployment by creating AWS servers and cloud infra. I'm getting difficulties in between cloud infra making.
Thanks for sharing that project, Kartik. Building a house prediction platform with Flask and connecting it to React is impressive, and deployment challenges on AWS are common.
Yes,
It's great you tackled those.
that's it from my end.
All right, Kartik, just to cover a few more things. Have you had experience deploying machine learning models on AWS? If so, can you describe the process you followed and any best practices you used?
Can you repeat the question?
Of course. Have you had experience deploying machine learning models on AWS? If
No,
yes, could you describe
so
the process
sorry,
you followed?
I don't have any experience in deploying machine learning models. That's it from my side. Thank you for the interview.
Thank you for your honesty, Kartik. I appreciate your time and the insights you shared about your experience. To summarize, you have solid hands on experience with Python, data processing, and building APIs with Flask, along with some exposure to BI tools. Strengthening your math skills and gaining experience with deployment could be good areas for growth. It was great talking with you, and I wish you the best in your data science journey. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Kartik. If you have any other questions or need further assistance in the future, feel free to reach out.
Yep,
Take
sure.
care and good luck.
Yes, thank you. Please end the call.
Sure, Kartik. Ending the call now. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye bye. So here you can see that I'm giving all the interview. Yes.